How to redeem miles on Capital One Venture Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Capital One offers fixed value redemptions for most of their rewards. This means that unless you transfer your miles to a travel partner, you will typically receive 1 cent per mile. So Capital One has made redeeming miles seamless and effortless with all of your options available directly on the Capital One website or through the app. So in order to redeem Capital One miles, log into your account and follow the steps. First of all, you have to click on View Rewards option and then choose the credit card with your miles. Pick your redemption method, which includes book a trip, convert rewards, cover the travel expenses, redeem for the experiences, gift card, cash, PayPal, Amazon, and Move Rewards. You might prefer one or two options like convert rewards for the better value by transferring miles to the partners, and the best choices for the value are converting rewards and covering the travel purchases. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.